downstairs to see what might be under the Christmas tree. Oh, can I please, please have that bird? That Christmas joy I once had as a boy.
Oh my goodness. How are you guys doing? I'm so tired and speechless. I don't even know what to say. Like, you guys, I don't know what to say. We just came in now. I was not able to post video yesterday because my editor crashed on me. I used to use this tablet. This is the tablet I normally use to edit my videos, and this is a Huawei MP10 or I forgot it. But this is Huawei. So I usually use it to edit my videos because I'm not a laptop type. Like, I don't like editing on laptops. We have laptop here, but I don't like to edit because whenever I'm doing it, I feel like it takes much of my time. Like, I'm not fluent. Hi, I don't know if that's the right word. Like, I'm not fast with laptops when it comes to editing, but with tablets, oh my goodness, like, very easy. I can even do it on the go. I can just anywhere and edit my videos. But this thing crashed on me 2 days ago. I was editing my video and it started lagging. You will be hearing my voice talking, but let's say I made a mistake in that video. Like, the way the thing was lagging, you can't even tell, or you won't even know where to cut it. So the thing was so annoying. I was so angry that 2 days ago. I was like, why now that I'm editing my video? Why now? I tried, it didn't work. So I had to transfer the memory card to my phone, my Samsung phone. You guys, this phone, the keyboard video, I edited it on that phone and it was so tiny. It took a whole lot of time. Like, it took so much time to edit that video because I've already edited the video on my tablet just to fix in a few things and the video is done. So transferring the file to the memory card to my phone, I had to start all over again to edit the video. That was how you guys watched the video I posted 2 days ago. And I was like, what should I do? You know, I've been planning to buy a better laptop, like the one that has many things, if not everything, which I saw in Samsung Galaxy S7 Plus tablet. You can use it as tablet, you can use it as a phone, as a laptop. So I was like, come next year, this is one of the things I'm going to buy for my YouTube work. So I added it in my cart and I'm like, okay, let me be saving for it so I can buy it by next year. So when this thing happened 2 days ago, I had no other option but to buy it. So because this thing crashed on me, I had to buy it. It's here now. And by the way, I filmed the unboxing. It's on my second channel, Jessica Space. So here is it. You can use it as a tablet. You can also use it as a laptop. Very huge. This is 12.4 inches. Very flat. You see, it's almost like a laptop. I love it. So I bought it. It came yesterday. I unboxed it and the video is on my second channel. I used it to edit the unboxing video, and you guys, the fastness, the smoothness, the fluidity, am I right? It was so smooth. It was amazing editing with this laptop. Like, I enjoyed it, and I'm not regretting ever buying it because I need it. You know, with this I don't need any laptop. Like I said, you can use it as a tablet, you can use it as a laptop. I don't need any laptop. Like, this is a game changer. Okay, so that was why I couldn't post a video yesterday. And yeah, I also wrote it on my community page that I am having some technical issues. I don't know how many of you that came across that post, but that was exactly what really happened. But hopefully with this now we can be able to put out more videos. So I'm very hungry. We are hungry. Like I said, we just came in now, and I need to go to that kitchen and fix something for us to eat because I'm so famished. This is 15 minutes after 3 p.m. I've not had anything, so I'll see you guys later when I'm done eating. By the way, some of the accessories just came in this morning. The bookcase cover for the tablet just came in this morning. So I also bought a keypad and the mouse. I told you can use it as a laptop as well. So I bought a keypad and mouse, and then cover, and also a stand. Don't worry, you guys will see all of that later. This is just for you guys. I want to give you guys the best. Okay. So yeah, let me go and eat now. I'm very hungry, and I'll see you guys later. So guys, here is my new workplace. I just created this now. I know this is not the most comfortable place because you guys know that this is my dresser. So I'm using it as a table or as a desk. You know, sometimes it's good to, you know, use what you have. So I'm going to keep managing until I get a, you know, desk for this. And I also ordered a desk holder. Not desk, yeah, desk holder, desktop holder. I don't know if that is what they call it. I ordered it for this thing. So if I don't want to have it as a laptop like this now, you know, it looks like a laptop right now. Then if I want to use it as a desktop, I don't know if I'm correct, I can use that thing, but that one will arrive tomorrow. So for now, this is what I've got. And as you can see, the keypad is separate. Okay, this is just a book cover. You can see, you can just fold it like this, and you can carry it around, you know. Just put it like so, and put your keypad, and work begins. And this thing kind of matches, like it's almost perfect, like the same size. I love it. So right now I can just start to work. Okay, close this door, close it. Joshua, close this door. So before I can be able to use the keypad and the mask, I have to first of all turn it to desk mode, which is here. Just click on it and then get started. This one, wait, so I hope there's battery here. Okay, there's battery. It came with 2 batteries. So to turn it on, where do you turn? Okay, here. I just turned it on now. Why is it not blinking lights? Okay, yeah. It's on. Okay, let's see. This one, what do I need to do? I think I need to connect it. Okay, you have seen it basically. This is my setup. I have to like figure this out. I've never used it before, obviously, so I have to like connect everything so that they will be working. Yeah, another thing I bought is this USB-C hub, this thing right here. I bought it for transferring files. You know, the stress of like after filming a video, now after recording a video, I have to bring out my memory card from the camera and bring out the micro one, that is that little one, that smallest one, then open my tablet and put it before I can start editing. But with this thing now, after filming my video, I'll just bring out the SD card, the big one, which I inserted the small one inside the big one. I can just, you know, plug it here, just insert it here. This is the space for the small one. This thing loves to focus on my face. Can you just focus on this thing, brother? Just focus here. Hey. Anyways, this space is for the micro SD card, and this is for the bigger one. So I can just bring that one and put it here, just slot it in here, and then plug this one here, and that way I don't have to keep opening and closing the SD card slot all the time. So this is a game changer for me, guys. I hope you guys are excited for me on my behalf. Okay. So this is how this one works. It goes right here, and then you can plug so many other things, you still have spaces here. So this is me pretending to type. The good thing about this is that you can use it as a laptop, you can use it as a tablet. Like, isn't that amazing? 2-in-1. So yeah, that is it. So that is it, guys. I just wanted to like let you guys know why I didn't upload yesterday. This is the reason. We now have a new setup here. This is what I'm going to be using for now, to be giving you guys, you know, if not the best videos ever. Hopefully. Honestly, I can't wait to like start using this. You see how it looks as if I'm using a laptop, everything lined up here. You see, like, I can't wait to start using this. Honestly, I'm so excited, and I hope you guys are also excited on my behalf. I hope you are excited for me. Thank you guys so much for all the love and the support. Like, seriously, I appreciate. I don't know what to say. You guys are amazing. Like this vlogmas thing, you guys are turning up, even though the YouTube views are reducing. They are not giving us the real views that we have, but still you guys are turning up. You are watching, liking. The amount of likes I get on my videos, I am so speechless. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next one.